Pinnacle Academy is a school that goes from preschool to 8th grade. We spend a lot of our time emphasizing that we are a math and science school. We are a STEM school, and that we try to promote that all the way from preschool all the way up to 8th grade. So technology is integrated in every single classroom. Any kind of subject that we can make it work, we'll make it work.
As a Pinnacle Academy, since the day one, we have strong emphasis in math, science, and technology, and students get familiar with the scientific method and science fairs. But as a school-wide event, this is the third science fair we are organizing. All the students, starting with kindergarten to 8th grade, each individual student comes up with a science fair project. And teachers start teaching scientific method the first weeks of school. So students get familiar with what scientific method is, how scientists think, and then they put what they learn into their science fair projects.
My question is, what type of soil has higher capillarity, loamy, sandy, or clay soil? And my purpose is to compare the rise and fall of the capillarity in each type of soil. And this project is especially good for plants because capillarity helps plants get their amount of nutrients.
I did this experiment because I wanted to see how those substances affect the tooth enamel. And the tooth enamel is the outer covering of the tooth. And a lot of people drink these different kinds of liquids, and I really wanted to see how those liquids make your tooth black or stronger or whiter or whatever how it is.
I love everything, like the compounds and like the reactions. I love doing experiments with my class and my friends, and it's very fun to see like all the different varieties of reactions they have with each other.
It's kind of a really good way for the children to do hands-on science. It's kind of old-fashioned, but it's also something that is popular, and it helps the children, you know, learn about science, make it fun.
My project is about seeing the rate of decay in apple slices. I like science because science is about learning about other things, and it's another way to put math in my favorite subject. My project is what substance other than water can plants grow the fastest? I picked this project because I was at the store and I wanted to buy a plant, and all the plants were very small. So I wanted to see if I could make a plant grow taller than they are at the store.
My science fair project is electromagnet field operations. I like science is because we do a lot of things, like one time we made a volcano, and another time we also did a high hibernation play. So that's why I like science.
I enjoyed my project. My parents and a little bit of my teacher helped me with this project. I love Pinnacle Academy because we learn very interesting things, and it's very cool here.
We want really students get interested in math, science, and technology and related careers. So working on a science fair project helps them to increase their interest, apply their knowledge to practical applications. In different competitions, Pinnacle Academy won many awards. One of the very significant ones was since the second year of school, they have been competing in Future City and they got first place twice and second place last year. So we are really proud of them. And each year it is different students doing different projects, building the cities of future.